Hey friend, it's good to have you here. My name is Maverick, and thank you very much for checking out this page. I know you're here today because I promised you about these thousands of email swipes that I'm making use of. Oh yeah, so these email swipes are not just what I just go out there to scrap on the net or maybe signing up to several email lists and scrapping them for you. No, these email swipes are 5001 and it's owned by a email marketing scholar and an award-winning coach. And his name is Matt Bakak. Okay, so that is his name, and these are the email swipes that he has used to crush several offers, both his own offer and affiliate offers, e-commerce offers, to crush and generate millions of dollars in profit, okay, since his 22 years in email marketing and online journey, okay. So these are the email swipes that he has used since his 22 years in his online journey, okay. So what is going to happen is that I'm not just recommending this to you because I feel you should get it. No, this is something I am using, although I'm a blogger and I'm a content writer though, but I'm not a copywriter because I find it very difficult to write email copies. So that is why I got this for myself, and I'm very certain that you're also like me. And Matt also, decide to bring this out for struggling email marketers or even those who are successful email marketers are using the swipes. So it's not something new, okay? So either you're new, struggling, whatever, you need to have access to this because it consists of 5001. So one thing you can just easily just twerk and just load into your autoresponder, and they just keep sending out to your audience, and you keep making money on autopilot. That is the kind of business that I like because I don't even know how to do copywriting. Even my landing pages, I just model what other people are doing to create a landing page for any product or even a sales page for my product, okay? And if you're to hire somebody to write copies for you, you know how much this is gonna cost you. So this is what we're gonna be talking about here. And let me just jump straight to my file manager and let me show you how the email swipes look, okay, before you got access to your own also. So this is mine, but let me just show you so you know that I have access to it. I'm not just just feel like let me just tell you about these and blah blah blah. No, this is something I am using and I've loaded up, and also it's working greatly for me. And when you stick to the hand, I also have some freebies for you which you're also gonna like. So stick to the hand with me and let's go on this journey. So let me jump straight to my screen to my file manager now, and let me see you there, okay? Okay, so the first one we have right here is the 5 days win back sequence. Okay, that is a bonus which Matt himself included in the swipe file. And as you can see, we have day one, day two, day three, day four, day five. So the reason for this is because Matt himself realized that a lot of people have email lists that are dead. Okay, so just like you can see right here, something like the subject, hey, I haven't heard from you lately. So these email lists are lists that you've not sent emails to for a long time, maybe for several months. It happens a lot, maybe because you just got burned out. So this first 5 day sequence is what you're gonna send out to this your email subscribers, your list, to get them warm up and bring them back to reading your emails and hopefully buying what you want to sell to them in the other emails. Okay, so this one is the first important email that you need to send to them if you have a dead list that have not been active. So this is what you first have to send before you now go straight to using the 5001 email swipes. So right here, clicking on the 5001 email swipe, you can see them. And here are the swipe. It's a lot, okay? It's a whole lot. Zooming out a little bit so you can see it right here. You have a lot of them. You can see some starting with we have $1,347 per day interested, and we have 2,000 plus per day demonstration. These are all email subject line, but by the time you click on them, you are going to be able to get access to each one of them. Now you can use all the swipes for your businesses. Okay, you can use it to promote any product, your coaching product, your e-commerce products, anything. These are the swipes that Matt Bakak has used himself in his journey in email marketing, okay, and to rake millions of dollars in profit. Scrolling down a little bit, you can see affiliate swipes. Okay, so if you're an affiliate marketer, you have a lot of swipes there, and you can see this email hustle specifically for, it's called Amazon Blitz, okay, for a product right there. And you can see a lot of them. You have free access in case you want to promote something for free, like you want to send out free email to get them to get something. And you can see a lot scrolling down. It's a whole lot right here, friend. Okay, I can also see all this dot 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 email subject line, like dot 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 get paid automatically, and all those kind of email subject lines are always very effective. Okay, so you can see all of them scrolling down. Scrolling down the more, you can see first name. That's gonna automatically add first name of your subscriber. You can see affiliate a lot, and just a lot of them right here. Okay, so you've got a lot of emails to use right here. Okay, you can see promotional tips. Now let's try and check out one of these. Okay, you can see all these promotional tips are very effective for your product. Okay, in case you're doing coaching. Now this is the type I like: email deliverability 1, part 1, part 2, part 3. Let's check it out. Now to view the email, you just have to click on any one of them. Just tap on this email deliverability, and you can see it's opened already. And now you can see today I'm starting a five-part series all about email deliverability and order. So these are things you can schedule. You can just tweak things, okay, and just load it into your autoresponder. I like some things like this that are part one, part two, so that it will be easy for you to use this part two also. Like you can set the subject line again, and we have part three, part four, part five, and you can just keep clicking on it and just tweak things and load it into your autoresponder, your email swipes, okay. These are all yours, okay, and nobody owns them anymore. It's now yours and yours alone. So let's scroll down a little, and you can see we have a lot of them here. Article writing made easy, how to get traffic to your squeeze page. Now these are all email subject line that you can just tweak, okay. You can just change things out, how to do something, and they're gonna click, okay. So see, 7 parts blockbuster email swipes. You can see 7 part blockbuster product, okay. So whatever it is, you can just do things. And scrolling down a lot of here, 5001 is what you have here, and we are seeing, I don't even think we are up to 300 right here, or even 400. So you can see all this re email, so they convert also very well, because it makes people feel like, okay, maybe they've not read the previous emails, so it make them read more, okay. Once you have all these email swap, friend, you don't have to panic about your email marketing journey, because these are things that already work for Mad, and they've made a lot of sales for him. So all you just have to do is just change things and just load them straight into your autoresponder, which is what I am doing. I just find some swipe that that relates with my own products, okay, that what I want to say, and I just tweak things out, change some text, and I just load it up, and I see myself getting conversion, and the rate of conversion just increase, okay, and this will also increase your open rate also, all right. So that's what you got, friend. And this is me showing you that I got this product for myself. And right here, let's check this out. You can see we also have some bonuses here, which is how to edit an email for any niche. Okay, so this is a video, okay, that Matt is teaching you how you can edit any one of the emails among the 5001 email swipe for any of your niche. Okay, so that will make you write it very well, and how to write email faster better. Okay, so this way you will also be able to learn how to write emails very faster and better. So this is Matt giving you everything it takes to succeed with email marketing. Okay, so as you can see right there, you have those, so you can learn how you can, edit all these email swipes and also write better. Okay, so this is what we have for you here, friend. And the first thing here is the 50-day win back sequence bonus, which helps you to revive back your dead list so that they can keep opening your emails and probably buy from you. And we also have the 5001 swipes, which is the master of them all, which is going to help you crush all those offers out there. And the third there is how you can edit any one of the 5001 email swipes easily, and you can quickly trick them and load them into your autoresponder. So Matt realizes that a lot of people will not be able to know that, so he's using that to teach you exactly what you can do, and easily get yourself up and running. Okay, so and the last one is how you can write emails very faster. So I don't think I have to explain that again. You have to write emails very faster so that you can quickly catch up with a lot of stuff. So now the next one we want to head straight now into is me showing you the freebie that I promised. I promised you at the beginning of this video that I have some freebies for you that you're gonna get your hands into if you watch this video up to this moment. So there's some freebies I have for you, which are 12 outstanding bonuses that it's gonna complement days 5001 email swipes by Matt Backhack. And by the time you add these bonuses, or any one of those bonuses, these freebies that I'm offering you with these email swipes, my dear, you are gonna be unstoppable, and you're gonna be crushing email marketing like mad, okay, like crazy. So that is exactly what I'm gonna be showing you next now. So let's jump straight to that screen, and I'll see you right there. Okay, so in the beginning of this tutorial, I told you that I'm gonna be offering you freebies, which are 12 bonuses once you purchase this email swipes through my referral link below this video. Okay, so the first one, you see you have 12 undisputed bonuses right here, which are worth $3,745. Okay, so the first one here which I have for you is the email countdown timer. So and this is the page you're gonna land on to download everything. So you can see the download link, and this will help you to add countdown to your emails. Okay, so that is what is not offered in the 5000 email swipes. Okay, so you're gonna have access to it, and let me just show you this one so that you see that it's effective. So if I click on download now, and let me go to my backend. Okay, so right here on my backend, you can see boost your click-through rate and create email countdown timer. So this is how it looks. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna get access to this, so it will help you to increase your click-through rate in your email and get sales, because people kind of procrastinate a lot. So the moment you put the timer in your email, you get them to quickly take action, and because they wouldn't want to lose out of your whatever you are telling them to take action on. So it's either you want to sell a product or anything. This will help you to increase your click-through rate with also the professionalism of Matt Backhack in his email swipe. So let me head back to the bonuses and just show you the rest. Okay, so the next one is visitors tracker. So in case you have a website or anyhow you have a website, this will help you to keep track of your visitors. I feel almost everyone have a website, so that is why I'm offering this. You also have the Facebook comments, multiple users. So this is an auto poster. In case you're somebody who use Facebook a lot, to build your email list, you have to build email list. Okay, so you just can't send emails to an empty list. Okay, so for you to build email list, that is why I'm offering you this one. Also, you have the auto content machine for you to be able to generate content which you can post and use to build traffic to a page, and you can use it to build your email list also, right? So you need to build your email list for all these 5001 email swipes to convert very well. If you don't have any email list to send your email swipes to, then who are the people who are going to purchase from you? So this is all the content machine to generate content for you. So you also have the Facebook TNT trading on traffic. So this will help you to bring traffic. Okay, so you can use it to create content and a lot of things. Okay, a lot of things on Facebook to build your email list and just get people to subscribe to your email list, and you can just start generating profit for yourself. You also have the WP mail engine. So in case you don't have an email autoresponder to help you send out email, you have this WP mail engine which you can use, but although you have to integrate it to a WordPress website, okay, but it's very effective, and I use it a lot to send out emails out there. Okay, so these are tools that I use for myself, not just tools that I feel you should use. They are tools I use for myself, but I'm giving them to you because of my love for you, so that you can get good results from these. Also, you have Spreadit, WP share button for Messenger, Viber, WhatsApp, Telegram, Skype. So this is just for you to also make maximum use of other messaging platforms aside email. Okay, so you have the quiz engine to generate lead. People like quiz a lot, so the moment you can get something to generate quiz for them, and at the end of the quiz you can tell them to input their email address and they get the result of their quiz. So this is a way to build email list. A lot of brands out there are using this method to build a lot of email lists, because once they just put in a quiz out there, people go for the quiz, and at the end of the day they input their email address to get the score of the quiz. You also have Ninja Leads Bundle, which you can use to build squeeze pages and pop up that convert. Okay, so in case you don't know how to build squeeze pages to generate email list, okay, you need to build a squeeze page, like a landing page where people input their email address, and they can subscribe to your email autoresponder or your email list. Okay, so in anything you're doing, you need to build squeeze page. Okay, it is the squeeze page that will make them subscribe, and you can also use it to build pop-ups, okay, for whatever you want them to opt in into. You also have the link masker. This is a very fantastic tool, because on the net now you can just decide to keep posting a long link. So but with this tool you can shorten your link. Okay, so you can post your link on any platform. So in case you have this link generated by maybe any tool out there and it's just too long, okay, a lot of us experience this. If you're an online marketer, you experience it. Maybe you use a tool out there and the tool is just too long, or maybe it's your affiliate link and it's just too long, and you can't just put some affiliate link that are too ugly. People are not going to click on it. Even if it's an email, people are not going to click on it. So you want something that is short and precise, so that people will feel free to click on the link. So that is why link shorteners are very, very effective. I use it a lot to shorten my link. Any long link like affiliate link and any, or maybe landing page link that is just too long, this will help you to shorten your link. You also have the traffic float. This is also like social sharing button which you can integrate to your website, and you can also use to get a lot of traffic. And last on the list is convert POP, turn website visitors into lead and sales. So with this convert POP, you can turn any website visitors into leads. This is what you want to do. You want to be able to make any person that lands on your website to turn to an email subscriber, so that you can keep retargeting them in your emails, and you can keep sending them emails till they make a purchase. Now you don't have any problem with email, because you have 5001 email swipes in your library that you can just bring out 100 of them or 200 and just load into your autoresponder, and they can keep sending out. And even by the time they read the 30th email or 40th email, they're gonna make a purchase, which is very certain. Okay, so this is what I have for you, friends. So these are the bonuses that I have for you. So that's straight to see the price of the email swipe, which is very, very cheap and something that you can get access to today as quick as possible. Okay, so scrolling down right there, you can see the price right there. It's 15.87 cents. So it's $15 presently, but this price is increasing. No fluff. It's really increasing, because when I bought this, it was around $14 and some cents. So I'm very certain that by the time you're even watching this, it might have increased by a few cents also, or probably few dollars. Okay, if not $4 or even $3, depending on when you're watching it. Okay, so my best advice is that you just grab this opportunity as quick as possible, because this guy just giving you access to what has worked for him. This is not cost or anything. This is something that has worked for him, and it's just giving it straight to you for you to use. And I already got access to it. As you can see, I have mine also, and I'm using it also. So just click the link below this video, okay, and it's gonna take you straight to the product page, and get access as fast as possible before it's start getting to $50 or even a lot more dollars, because it's increasing by some cents every single day. I don't know how well man is doing it, but it's increasing by some cents. Okay, so I want you to get access as quick as possible, okay, so that you don't miss out. So that is what I have for you today, friend. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate this, and remember remember, make sure that you use my referral link below this video. Like when you click the link, it's my referral link, and that is how you're gonna get access to my bonuses. If you don't use it, you're not gonna get access to my bonuses. So the moment you get access to these swipes, okay, it's gonna be in your receipt. You're gonna get access to the bonuses and the receipt, or you can also email me at the maverick@gmail.com or maverick@digitalproductsmonk.com. You can email me and I can send you the bonuses through the email. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy yourself. Peace.